I'm in the freezer. I'm trying to cool this down so I can eat it to see if I want to add anything else. So, do you ever just stick your head in the freezer? Like when it hurts or it's just too fucking hot? Do you just like chill in the freezer? Because I do that. I know that's weird. Also, when my phone is too hot, I would just stick it in the freezer for like a minute. That shit's good to go. I gave myself curtain bangs again. We are at the 99-cent store, and it's so empty over here. It feels like The Last of Us. If you know what I'm talking about, I love you. You know what's crazy? I feel like people always imagine how the world will look like. How the world... I feel like people always imagine how the world would look like. Sorry, it's because I looked up and I can see all of these cameras in like every angle. So that's weird. But anyways, okay, so onto my story. Not a story, thought. Imagine, because people always imagine how the world would be like if it was like chocolate or like a certain color. But like imagine if the world was metal, like a coin. That would be so sick. You know? I don't know. I'm making an orange creamsicle smoothie. So, I just washed it. I'm so glad. Because you know how fruits usually have like holes in the back of them? Well, let me tell you something. I am truly traumatized by fruits forever. Well, anything with holes in them. Listen, one time I had a pomegranate, okay? And I was washing it and there was a big ass hole, okay? I was washing it. Guess what comes out of that fucking hole? A fucking silverfish centipede. Kill me now. Like, why me? Horrible, horrible experience. I already talked about it so many times. But, oh my god, it's a train. Anyways, okay. Back to the story. A whole ass centipede came out. But not just a centipede. It was a specific, it was a silverfish centipede in a fucking, came out of a fucking pomegranate. It took forever to die. It literally took forever to die. And the way it was dying was the most terrifying part. Why was it dying like that? It was so scary. It was so scary. It literally looked like it was possessed. Yeah. Make sure you check your fruits, okay? Especially pomegranates. Plus, because like centipedes, well, I don't know if it's all centipedes, but just the one that I, had to deal with. They like dark places. So that's why they went into the hole. And they go into people's ears. And they just fucking, I don't know, chill there. It's fucking true. I feel really pretty today. I took all my jewelry out, so I was like, no more. be sitting in a corner next to a lovely window. Yeah, man. I'm just vibing out, listening to the silence. You know, I love witnessing other people's moments. Like, do you just like witnessing other people's moments that aren't yours? I don't know. I just love it. Like today, I saw a dad and his child like on a cart, and they were like riding, like having fun, and it was just so cute. And I just love just like seeing other people's moments, like just seeing how happy they are. Like, I don't know, I know it's not my moments, but I just think it's so cool to witness that. Like, cool, man. Anyways, do you hear that? That's my sissy. She talking to someone. Anyways.